What's up, everybody? You already know what it is. It's your boy Marketing with Dom, and we're going to talk about the actual proof that's saying that it is going to be banning OnlyFans adult content, right? It says no actual or simulating any sexual encounters, period. It says it, no masturbation, no anything of any sort with any other partner. So basically it's going to allow you to just do nudities, but it can't be any sexual simulated stuff in the explicit categories at all. So if you're reading it all over the internet and people are saying it's true, it's not true, it's 100% true, and here's proof to show their actual statements that they are saying you can or cannot do across the platform. So the one thing I would say is, get prepared for where we're making a major transition. We're going to be transitioning into iFans. iFans is going to be our number one platform. The second platform we're going to be using is Fansly. Both of those links you can find down below in the bio. So click up, sign up now because it's going to be crazy. It's going to get hot. So these are the alternative platforms that you're going to use, and we're super excited to be able to take you guys to the next level when it comes down to that. So just remember, we are going to be transitioning all of our training on both of these platforms as well. But here's proof. They actually have changed their policy, and it directly says they're not going to be allowing explicit content. So thanks for watching the video. Please make sure you leave a comment down below on your thoughts of this, and make sure you read over it. And I'll actually have the link of this policy that you can use and send around to other people to let them know as well. And everybody have a blessed day.